Welcome to Q&ASMR. Hello, I'm glad you can make it. These questions are brought to me by listeners like you. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy. This question comes from Burger Queen. Which fast food chain has the most locations around the world? Well, this could be a quick one, but I think I'll give you the surprising top 10. It should be noted that a lot of these numbers are going to be approximate. Locations close, open, and move all the time, so these numbers tend to be updated semi-annually. Most of the data I have is from between 2021 and 2025, depending on the brand. And, without further ado, the top 10 fast food restaurant chains by number of locations. Number 10. Burger King, with about 19,400 locations. Number 9. Pizza Hut, with just under 20,000 locations. Number 8. Wallace, a Chinese company with about 20,000 locations. Number 7. Domino's, with about 21,400 locations. Number 6, another Chinese company, Luckin Coffee, with about 26,200 locations. Number 5, KFC, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, with about 32,000 locations worldwide. Number 4, Subway, with about 37,000 locations. Number 3, Starbucks, with just shy of 41,000 locations. Number 2, McDonald's, with around 45,300 locations. And finally, what could be more popular than Starbucks and McDonald's? Number 1, Mixue, another Chinese company, with a whopping 46,500-ish locations worldwide. Thanks for that great question. This question comes from Dala. What are all of the different breeds of dog? Well, that's a good question. There's definitely way more than I thought there would be, but it's not so many that it seems impossible to name them all. I will say that I am using the American Kennel Club's list of recognized breeds. Wikipedia also has a list of dog breeds, but that list also includes extant and extinct breeds, and appears to be about twice as long as the AKC's. For my own sake, I'll stick with the AKC's list, as these are the ones you are most likely to find today. I guess we'll start where we always start, with the A's. We have Affenpinscher, Afghan Hound, Airedale Terrier, Akita, Alaskan Klee Kai, Alaskan Malamute, American Bulldog, American English Coonhound, American Eskimo Dog, American Foxhound, American Hairless Terrier, American Leopard Hound, American Staffordshire Terrier, American Water Spaniel, Anatolian Shepherd Dog, Appenzeller Sennenhund, Australian Cattle Hound, Australian Kelpie, Australian Shepherd, Australian Stumpy Tail Cattle Dog, Australian Terrier, and the Azawak. Then we have Barbados da Terceira, Barbet, Basenji, Basset Fauve de Bretagne, Basset Hound, Bavarian Mountain Scent Dog, Beagle, Bearded Collie, Beauceron, Bedlington Terrier, Belgian Lacanois, Belgian Malinois, Belgian Sheepdog, Belgian Tervuren, Bergamasco Sheepdog, Berger Picard, Bernese Mountain Dog, Bichon Frise, Buer Terrier, Black and Tan Coonhound, Black Russian Terrier, Bloodhound, Blue Picardy Spaniel, Blue Tick Coonhound, Borer Bull, Bohemian Shepherd, Bolognese, Border Collie, Border Terrier, Borzoi, Boston Terrier, Bouvier des Ardennes, Bouvier des Flandres, Boxer, Boykin Spaniel, Bracco Italiano, Bracto Bourbonnais, Braque Francois Pyrenees, Braque Saint Germain, Brazilian Terrier, Briard, Brittany, Broholmer, Brussels Griffon, Bull Terrier, Bulldog, and Bull Mastiff. On to the Cairn Terrier, Kalupo, Canaan Dog, Canadian Eskimo Dog, Cane Corso, Cardigan Welsh Corgi, Carolina Dog, Catahoula Leopard Dog, Caucasian Shepherd Dog, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, Central Asian Shepherd Dog, Sesky Terrier, Chesapeake Bay Retriever, Chihuahua, Chinese Crested, Chinese Sharpei, Chinook, Chow Chow, Chirneco Deletna, Clumber Spaniel, Cocker Spaniel, Collie, Cotton de Tulare, Croatian Sheepdog, Curly-Coated Retriever, and the Czechoslovakian Volchuk. Next up is the Dachshund, Dalmatian, Dandy Dinmont Terrier, Danish-Swedish Farm Dog, Deutscher Wattelhund, Doberman Pinscher, Dogo Argentino, Dog de Bordeaux, Dorinsa Patrisun, Drever, and Dutch Shepherd. Then we go to the English Cocker Spaniel, English Foxhound, English Setter, English Springer Spaniel, English Toy Spaniel, Entelbutcher Mountain Dog, Estrella Mountain Dog, and the Eurasier. Up next, the Field Spaniel, Finnish Laphund, Finnish Spitz, Flat-Coated Retriever, French Bulldog, and French Spaniel. We're getting shorter as we go. Then we have the German Long-Haired Pointer, German Pinscher, German Shepherd Dog, German Short-Haired Pointer, German Spitz, German Wire-Haired Pointer, Giant Schnauzer, Glen of Imal Terrier, Golden Retriever, Gordon Setter, Grand Basset Griffon Vendine, Great Dane, Great Pyrenees, Greater Swiss Mountain Dog, and the Greyhound. Next, the Hamilton Stavar, Hanoverian Scenthound, Harrier, Havanese, Hokkaido, and Hovawart. After that is the Ibethan Hound, Icelandic Sheepdog, Irish Red and White Setter, Irish Setter, Irish Terrier, Irish Water Spaniel, Irish Wolfhound, and Italian Greyhound. Then comes the Jagged Terrier, Japanese Akitainu, Japanese Chin, Japanese Spitz, and Japanese Terrier. After that comes the Kaiken, Karelian Bear Dog, Kisund, Kerry Blue Terrier, Kishuken, Komondor, Korean Jindo Dog, Kromverlander, and Kuvaz. On to the Labrador Retriever, Lagato Romagnolo, Lakeland Terrier, Lancashire Heeler, Laponian Herder, Large Musterlander, Leonberger, Lhasa Apso, and Lochen. Next up is the Manchester Terrier, which comes in two sizes, Mastiff, Miniature American Shepherd, Miniature Bull Terrier, Miniature Pinscher, Miniature Schnauzer, Mountain Cur, and Moody. After that is the Neapolitan Mastiff, Nederlandse Quakerhondje, Newfoundland, Norfolk Terrier, Norrbottenspets, Norwegian Buhund, Norwegian Elkhund, Norwegian Lundehund, Norwich Terrier, and the Nova Scotia Duck Tolling Retriever. O has only two, the Old English Sheepdog and Otterhound. Then we get to the Papillon, Parson Russell Terrier, Pekingese, Pembroke Welsh Corgi, Peruvian Inca Orchid, Petite Basset Griffon Vendine, Pharaoh Hound, Plot Hound, Pointer, Polish Lowland Sheepdog, Pomeranian, Point Audemars Spaniel, Poodle, which comes in 3 sizes, Porcelain, Portuguese Podengo, Portuguese Podengo Pequeño, Portuguese Pointer, Portuguese Sheepdog, Portuguese Water Dog, Presena Canario, Poodle Pointer, Pug, Puli, Pumi, Pyrenean Mastiff, and Pyrenean Shepherd. There are no dog breeds that start with Q. Next is the Rafeiro do Alentejo, Rat Terrier, Redbone Coonhound, Rhodesian Ridgeback, Romanian Carpathian Shepherd, Romanian Maioritic Sheepdog, Rottweiler, Russell Terrier, Russian Toy, and the Russian Svetnaya Bolonka. After that comes the St. Bernard, Saluki, Samoyed, Chapandos, Schipperke, Scottish Deerhound, Scottish Terrier, Sealyham Terrier, Sagugio Italiano, Shetland Sheepdog, Shiba Inu, Shih Tzu, Shikoku Ken, Siberian Husky, Silky Terrier, Skye Terrier, Slugi, Slovakian Wire-Haired Pointer, Slovensky Kvach, Slovensky Kopov, Small Musterlander, Smooth Fox Terrier, Soft-Coated Wheaten Terrier, Spanish Mastiff, Spanish Water Dog, Spinone Italiano, Stabby Hound, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Standard Schnauzer, Sussex Spaniel, Swedish Lapphund, and the Swedish Vallhund. Then there's the Taiwan Dog, Teddy Roosevelt Terrier, Thai Bangkao, Thai Ridgeback, Tibetan Mastiff, Tibetan Spaniel, Tibetan Terrier, Tornjak, Tosa, Toy Fox Terrier, Transylvanian Hound, Treeing Tennessee Brindle, and the Treeing Walker Coonhound. There are no breeds that start with U. Getting near the end now, we've got Vizsla and Volpino Italiano for V. Then there's the Weimaraner, Welsh Springer Spaniel, Welsh Terrier, West Highland White Terrier, Wetterhound, Whippet, Wire Fox Terrier, Wire-Haired Pointing Griffon, Wire-Haired Vizsla, and the Working Kelpie. Even X gets in here with the Xoloitzcuintli. Finally, there's the Yakutian Laika and the Yorkshire Terrier, since there are no dog breeds that begin with Z. Woof, that sure was a lot of dog breeds. Thanks for that great question. This question comes from Asna. How do glasses work? Well, in order to talk about that, we've got to briefly discuss how eyes work. Very technically, when we say glasses, what we're referring to is actually corrective lenses. What these glasses are correcting is known as refractive error. Very, very simply, in order to see, the lenses of your eyes take in light and refract it towards the retina at the back of your eye. This information is transmitted through your optic nerve and into your brain for interpretation. But what if your eyes aren't the normal shape? Well, then the refraction doesn't hit your retina correctly. Most often, this results in blurred vision, either of objects far away or objects close up. So, the solution, then, is to put lenses in front of your eyes to help them focus in the correct spot. Corrective lenses are made based on the severity of the refractive error in each of your eyes. The corrective lens focuses the light into your eye at the prescribed angle such that your own lens sees the light in the correct spot. There's more to the actual process of getting glasses and the science behind it, but that's pretty much how glasses work. I hope that clears things up. Thank you again to Burger Queen, Dala, and Asna. If you would like to have your question answered in a video, leave it in a comment below this one. If you would prefer to ask your question a little more privately, you can email me your question at questionsandasmr@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more questions like these every week. Thanks again for listening. Goodbye for now.